Hi everyone, in this video today I am going to show you how to upload digital products on Etsy. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is sign in your Etsy account from here, and if you want to sell something on Etsy, so for this just click on this shop button icon, and here we can see she has already shown a step which you have to follow one by one. So let's get started. The first thing, you need to add your shop language and then shop country and shop currency. And when you have done with it, just click on this save and continue. And then here you have to add your shop name and then click on save and continue. And here we are going to add our digital product. So let's go step by step. First you have to add your product image here. So let's add. You can add more than one image if you want. So I am going to add 3 images for my product. And then you can adjust your thumbnail like this. And if you have your product video, you can also add. Just make sure that your video quality should be in high quality and the size is not more than 100 MB. And then you have to add your product title. Now I am going to sell budget planners, so I am going to write printable budget plan. And then you have to follow some questions like who made it, so I made it, and then what is it, so a finished product, and when did you make it, so choose recently. And then you have to add category of your product, so I'll choose calendar and planner for my product. And then choose whether it is physical or a digital product. And then here you have to add your product description. So let's add. By this way you can add your description. And then if you have your production partner, you can add here, but now I'm going to skip this step. And then add tags here. You can add 13 tags which help you for ranking of your product. So let's add printable budget planner, budget tracker, etc. you can add. And then you have to add materials which you use in your product, but I don't have a physical product, so let's skip. And then you have to add price for your product, and then quantity. And here you have to upload file which you created for your product, so let's add. And once you are done with listing, so click on this save and continue. And then you have to follow some billing process step by step. So guys, by this way you can upload your digital products on Etsy. I hope you guys like this video, and if you found any valuable information in this video, so don't forget to like my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video.